This problem says the equation y equals 0.401 x squared plus, and it goes on and gives the equation. We'll talk about that again in a minute. Where x is the number of years between 1985 to 1998. So x is the number of years between those 2 years. Models a company's spending in millions of dollars. We are supposed to graph this function for x equals 0 to x equals 13. So I'm going to go into my y equals, and I'm going to type in the equation. You can do that at the same time. Okay, so I'm just going to double check and make sure that my numbers are in there correctly. And then it says to graph this function for x equals 0 to 13. So remember, anytime you know your x values, you go to your window and put those in, 0 to 13, and then you press zoom 0 or zoom fit. So zoom 0. Now we know that this is a quadratic function because it has an x squared as the largest exponent and that it opens up. Our window is only showing a portion of that quadratic function. Now if x is equal to 0 in 1985, find the spending in 2002. Okay, so 1985, x equals 0. So in 2002, what would x equal? How many years is that from 1985? 1985 to 2002 is x equals 17. Now, if we go to our window, remember our x values only went up to 13. So in order to determine what the spending in 2002 was, we're going to have to change that x maximum to something larger than 17. And I'm just going to choose 18. And I'll press graph again. And now if we want to find the spending in the year 2002, we will just press trace 17. And I get 773.755, and remember that that value is millions of dollars. So the spending in 2002 was $773.755 million. Now this is a question in number 3 we have not talked about. It says, is this interpolation or extrapolation? Interpolation is guessing data that will fall within a range of data. So if I were to ask you what was the amount spent between 1985 and 1998, that would have been interpolation. But extrapolation is guessing data that falls beyond a range. So since 2002 is beyond 1998, we would say that this is extrapolation.